Randomization of counting staff. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, regulations shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the levels of randomizations, identify the authorities who will do the randomizations, cite the purpose of randomization, plan the randomization as per Commission's guideline. Level of randomizations. The first level of randomization will be done by the district election officer concerned where counting center is located. The time of randomization is 1 week before the day of counting, and its purpose is to draw the 120% pool of staff for each category. First randomization will be done in the presence of returning officer or ARO in the case of parliamentary election. Second randomization is again done in the presence of the district election officer concerned where counting center is located. It is done 48 hours prior to the time fixed for the counting in case the counting is held at the locations other than the district headquarters. The purpose of second randomization is to allocate staff in each category to assembly constituency or assembly segment level. It is done in the presence of observer and RO and ARO in the case of parliamentary election. If the counting center is located in the district headquarters, then the second randomization will be done 24 hours prior to the time fixed for the counting. Third randomization will be done by the RO or the ARO in case of parliamentary election. The time of third randomization is 5 am on the day of counting, and its purpose is to allocate tables to the counting staff. The third randomization is done in the presence of the observer. Randomization of staff engaged in counting of postal ballots. Randomization of staff for counting of postal ballots or e-postal ballot shall be done separately with 120% of the required number of staff. In no case, this shall be mixed with the database of staff responsible for counting of votes in EVM. Randomization of staff engaged in pre-counting scanning of EPB. No randomization is required for counting officials allocated for pre-counting scanning of EPB. EPB means e-postal ballot. That is the postal ballots we receive through ETPB system. In this educational video, we have learned about the randomization of counting staff. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulation, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.